Hello everyone, this is Hilary Chin. I just want to take us through some data validation once more. So right here, data validation is easy. So I have a small table here. I want to be having drop downs under this sex and under this country. Okay, maybe types of countries and male and female sex. Okay, so all I need to do is click around where I want that to be happening. These are my headers here, and then I go to data up here, and then I go to data validation here. Click this small icon here, and then I click that. Once I click that, I'll come to list. The moment I click list, I want to be listing them. I want them to be listed. Okay, so I'll come in here and I'll put male, comma, female. It could be something else. Okay, and then I want to have an input message. This message show input message when cell is selected. When cell is selected, show this input message. Okay, so I want to put the title as message. Let's just say message, and then it would say please, this concerns sex. It could be anything, it could be any other message. And then I want to put the error alert. The error alert here will be, I'll just put error. Okay, and then here I'll put oops, or I'll put please do not do this again. Okay, so that's it. So I've come here under setting, I've selected list. I made sure I selected the ignore blank in cell drop down, and then I list the things I want to see on my drop down. Okay, make sure you put the first item is separated by comma like you see here. Then I have come inside the input message and I say message, and then I say please this concerns sex, and then now I set my error alert should be please do not do this again, and then I click OK. I'll come here and I click my OK. Now when I click OK, you see that the moment that I click on this cell, it says message please this concerns sex. That is the first message we put there, and then my drop down appears, male and female. Now if I come into this cell and I put Y, you see that I have totally gone out of the normal flow, which is male and female, and then it is giving me please do not do this again. So it's giving me an error message because what I've done there is error. Okay, I've just put error because it does not concern or does not relate to the list of items that I just put inside my data validation. So right there, I can just play with my mouse. It turns to this small black cross, and I share this, and the formula goes down. You see, I have the formula here now with my error messages still applicable. You see, I've just put N. It says please do not do this again. So this is very important. I'm asking how can we delete the formulas that we have put. I can just click here, go back to data, and then I go back to my data validation, and then I say clear. Okay, and I say clear off, and I just click clear off, and that's it. Now you notice that we don't have it anymore on the first cell, but from the second cell we go down, we have it. So I can come here, because this cell has no formula, I can share that operation to the rest, so all of them have. So there's one law in Excel: whatever applies in the first cell, if you drag it down, it affects the other cells. Okay, so that's what I just did there. So we could do the same for country as well, but because of time, let's jump in and see how we can go to other videos. Make sure you follow us, like and share. Thank you.